All right, guys, it's time finally to upgrade the Forky's lights. As you guys know, I've been talking about upgrading, and I could not stand the lights that were on those because they're not bright at all, and they were like kind of a spot. We got now from our Napa store over here, we got some of these pods. They are diffused. You can see right there. And we're going to be replacing these bad boys, getting rid of them. And because I don't really like the look, or maybe it's just this bracket. I understand, you know, this is here to protect it for stuff in case it falls on it, but we're not really, you know, getting into that. So we're gonna get rid of this whole bracket completely. Also, guys, I got some new news for you. Stay tuned, because we got another forklift coming. Yep, I'm not getting rid of this one though. This one is staying, so don't worry. The Toyota is not for sale. I'm not getting rid of it, but we do have another forklift coming. It will be here tomorrow, or by the time you guys see this video, I will have it already. And I will do a video for you guys this week of it. You know, I know you guys are wondering, what is it with you and these forklifts? I don't know, but I got a thing for forklifts, you know. But this new one, well, it's not new, but this new forklift to me that's coming, it's a big boy. And you guys know, if you know me, it ain't propane, and it ain't gas. What do you think it is? That's right, baby, it's some diesel power. So we got a big diesel forklift coming. I don't know what's wrong with it yet. I haven't even seen it. I saw a photo. Looks massive, big mother flower. So stay tuned for that. First things first, got to get our handy dandy wrench, and well, we're gonna start pulling these lights apart. So I'm gonna pull this apart, and I'm going to figure out. It's so hard working with one hand. And I'm going to figure out number one, how to mount it. If I'm going to mount it using this bracket, I'm gonna look at the bracket that is in the that came with the box with the Napa ones. We're gonna look at those and see what bracket came with it. But I gotta hold this now so I don't fall. Stay tuned. And bam, just like that, guys. One is installed. That was really easy. So what I did, I'll show you on this side. For all you guys that got your Yoda forklifts, want to upgrade your lights, I just took the existing bracket with the existing bolt, and we're gonna just tighten it in just like this. And all I did is pretty much mount the light. I got rid of this and used just a wire coming off the light. Where's the light? Right here. You can just get rid of this. You don't need this. It's just, like I said, positive, negative. And it's already fused, so you don't need to run the wiring harness that comes with it because it is fused under there. So we just spliced into this, tucked it in. That's what it looks like. I got to get me a rubber grommet because I noticed there are holes right here, and I don't like that. And actually, no, we need to check. I don't think I have one that big. Yeah, all my rubber grommets. This is the biggest one, yeah. The 55060, that ain't big enough because, well, I know that's bigger than that just from experience. So I gotta go get some of that so I can put some rubber grommets in there. I just don't like how, you know, I feel like it'd be better with just a grommet in here. But we're gonna tighten this up, and then we're going to mount it just like that. And then we will wait till a little later, and I'll show you guys what it looks like at night. But as of right now, let me turn this on. I'll show you here. Wait for it. Bam! Oh, damn, that's bright. Now, what I like, I don't know if you guys can see on camera here. Let me turn it off. So you see how much it floods the entire area? So look at the Can-Am over here. Look at this. See how much it floods it? So I can't wait to see at night. And it's going to be, obviously, they're not too tight, so you can adjust it if you want. Well, I should probably wait till it's dark so I can really adjust it and see. But right now we got this one done, and we're gonna start working on that side. Then we gotta go pick up the stickers for old Scissors over here. What do you guys think? She's been fully restored. Rattle can. All I did was just take some rattle can, and that's about it. We gotta get some new tires for her. We pretty much sanded everything, rattle canned it, and then in here, what I'm gonna do, there was grip tape. I'm going to mask all this off right here. And I'm gonna do this whole inside because this extends when you push down. All right here is gonna be bed liner. So just like the bed liner I put on the trailer, same thing. I'm gonna roll the bed liner all onto here, all flat. Now, did I take my time? No, this took me about a day. I just sanded it, you know, very quick. I mean, like, look at that, I missed a spot here. This is like, I don't even know what this is. Paint probably from existing. So just some, so it looked nasty. It had like rust and it was peeling and it just looked dirty. You know, this was all rusty and everything. So sanded it a little bit, painted it just to make it look presentable. Once I get the stickers on, it's gonna look awesome. Okay, so now that they're both done, I got them, if you notice, just at a little bit of an angle, because when they're straight, it's giving, you know, a lot of light in here, which I'm not really interested in here. I want to see out here. So now that it's dark and these are done and complete, we're going to pull it out and let's see what kind of light output we get out of it. Okay, now we got all Forky back here. Check out the backup light still. Bam! This backup light still works awesome, guys. All right, guys, I'm in the darkest area of the house, so let's see here. Ready? But oh my god, look at that. That's what I'm talking about, babe. Oh my goodness, look at that, guys. Oh, all right, let me get over here. That is awesome. Hell yeah. Look at this. Let me show you up here. Oh no, look at that. That is beautiful. Here we go, I'll show you again. Nada. Pow. See that? That's what I'm talking about right there. And there's enough light. This is what I was saying, like at the diffused. Look how much it's shooting out, you know, this way, and how much it's shooting out that way. And there's still plenty of light up in the front where before it was bald and you couldn't see anything. Now, well, very happy, guys. Very happy with this thing. And for you guys asking me, what are you gonna do with that orange light that I got rid of? Well, stay tuned. I finally figured something out to do with that damn orange light I got rid of. I'm not using that thing. I found something to replace it, but that'll be in the later video because I don't know when I am getting the parts for that thing. But very happy with the lights now that they're finally done and complete. We have to go down the hill and go pick up Scissors new graphics. Nothing fancy, but we're gonna go get the stickers and let's do a cold start here on the Rammer, even though it's like 9 o'clock and already 100 degrees. I mean, it's disgusting out here, guys. Woo! Nothing like good old smell of diesel in the morning, boys. Look at this thing, just purred like a kid. It's amazing how quiet. Listen how quiet these things are. For a diesel, it's just, they're making these things so quiet, guys, it's incredible. Now we're also going to meet the tow truck to go get the new forklift. If you're wondering why I gotta get a tow truck and not use my trailer, well, I'm kind of worried because this one's a little bigger, and when I put my old one on to deliver it to the customer, my old one wasn't as big. You guys remember the Nissan, and it sort of like dented the wood, and I even put like big pieces of plywood to try to distribute the weight as much as I can, but I noticed it was like bending the wood. So this new forklift that I'm going to get, it's a little bigger, a little heavier. I don't want to take the risk of damaging anything, so we got a big tow truck with a flatbed with a winch, and he's just going to pull it up and bring it home. Damn, that's a good looking Ford right there. Man, I gotta say.
Turn left onto Tavern Road.
Okay. Thanks for interrupting me. I gotta say, dualies, man, you know, as you guys know, I'm looking for an older Ram, an 06, preferably. And I've been looking at these dualies, and I'm really starting to like these dualies. They're starting to kind of fit in.
In 1.9 miles, turn left to merge onto I-8 West towards San Diego.
Thank you. You're wondering the navigation because I have no idea where this place is for the scissor lift, so that's why. But I don't know, I've been looking at dualies, and I'm still, guys, looking for an 06, and you guys have been sending me some, and I appreciate it. But the problem is, these people were like 200,000-300,000 miles. They're asking like $30,000 and $40,000, and I'm not paying that for an 06. I don't give a damn how clean it is. That's ridiculous. So until these people stop asking, you know, these stupid prices, I'm not going to purchase another truck, right now I don't even want to purchase anything. You know, it's ridiculous, especially trucks right now. Forklifts, they're not too bad, but trucks right now are really bad. So thank you guys, I appreciate it. Still send them my way. You know, if you see when that's a good deal, decent deal, I'm still interested. Now, even if it's a dually or non-dually, I might end up going dually, guys. I don't know. What do you guys think? Comment down below. Let me know. Yeah, Highway Patrol. I didn't even see him. And, yo, what up, Dad? How you doing? I don't know who that is waving. I'd honk, but there's a Highway Patrol right there. How you doing, partner? But you guys asked me, you know, what happens if you get pulled over for your tint? Honestly, it's crazy, guys. I have been so lucky that I have never been pulled over in the Duramax or the Rammer for tint or, you know, anything pretty much on this thing. And I don't know if they just see a truck and maybe they don't care, they don't want to bother, or if they, I don't know, see something, they see, I don't know, Eddie's life and they go, oh, that guy's just so badass, you know. I don't know what it is, but it's crazy. I didn't even see him. So usually I will roll the windows down, just so like they don't pass me and look at me. And I don't know, it's sort of like, I feel like it's like roll the window down just out of like respect for the cop, and sometimes I don't and I miss it, so I don't know. But we're here now, going to pick up the forklift, and I hate to do this to you guys, but that's all I got for you guys. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you guys like this video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and don't forget to click subscribe. Peace.
Yeah.